In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get PlayStation Store or PS Store discount codes. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your web browser and search up PlayStation Store discount codes like that, and you're gonna click enter. Then you're gonna head over to the first website, couponfollow.com, and once you're here, you're gonna see many promo codes. So there are many, for example, 25% off, 20% off, and many more. So I'm gonna give you a few examples on how you can get the codes. So I'm gonna click on the first one, get 25% off. And then once I click on it, it's gonna take me to it's gonna give me a pop-up where it's gonna show me the code. So in this case, to get a 25% off, you can use this code. So you can just copy it and then you can click redeem at PlayStation, which is gonna take you to their official website. So once you're there at their official website, you can choose your products and use this code at checkout to get a 25% discount. Similarly, there are many other promo codes. For example, there's a 20% off. So for 20% off, this is the code days of play 20. So you're gonna follow the same steps, copy and paste it at checkout. So let's say this 10% code right here, it is this one. So you can go ahead and copy this and give it a try. Let's say that doesn't work, but there are many other 10% off. You can always give them a try. So if this doesn't work, you can go ahead and give this one a try. So there are many examples and many more options for you. So there's another one, save 30% off with this code, and that's the code right there, vital. So copy and use it at checkout. So you can go ahead and explore as many as you want and see whether they work. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.